You have allowed him to speak for
Yeah,
5
GVL,
minutes.
GVL,
Allow
please.
me half the time. I think Mr. Raja has only proved what Mr. Panjarajan mentioned. That DMK is anti-Hindu. Because if no, please, I think we did not interrupt you. Don't,
No, I think
please don't do it.
there's a-
Please don't do it. You have to
Rahul,
have patience to listen.
Tamil Nadu has got
I
a
think
very
if there is
unique
one
perspective on
state, if there is one state in this entire country which epitomizes Hinduism,
Today our
which
manifesto-
has all the
today-
symbols of
today
religion,
our manifesto
Hindu
says-
religion.
wait.
Mr.
No.
Raja,
Today-
you cannot
DMK
monopolize this debate like
manifesto
this.
says
You
1,000
cannot,
crores will be
you
spent
cannot
for the Hindu
monopolize the
temple.
debate like this.
No.
You have proved
Rahul.
yourself to be anti-Hindu. You have proved DMK
Today
is
our
anti-Hindu.
DMK manifesto
You
says
have-
1,000
you are
crore
doing
will be
this.
spent for Hindu
You
temples.
are doing this for
What does it
minority
mean?
Election
appeasement.
time.
What does it mean?
Rahul, I will let
You
him.
are-
Okay.
Rahul.
Mafoy Pandirajan wants to come in.
Instead of
Just one
arguing-
second.
instead of
Let me
arguing
Yeah.
this-
Okay, one second. One second.
Instead of arguing on
GVL.
this-
GVL.
No. Let me.
You've spoken.
please
No,
allow me.
GVL, one sec.
I did not speak.
See,
He
in
is
Tamil
doing
Nadu,
this.
there's
This
a
is
different
deliberate-
perspective to religion.
This is a deliberate
There is
exploit.
a. See,
Can I have
Rahul,
Can I
Rahul.
have my 1
Can I
minute?
speak for 2
Rahul,
minutes?
this is election
One second.
time.
No,
This
one
is
second. I'll
election
have to,
time.
one second.
I'll speak for 2 minutes now.
We will not be able to debate.
No, Rahul.
Mr. Santosh Babu, one
No,
second.
you
GVL,
continue.
you've spoken.
I want to have a legitimate
No, you
question.
allow-
Wait.
How will this happen?
You allow me, otherwise you continue with your interview with Mr. Raja.
No, please sit.
Then I'll-
You are
we'll leave.
speaking.
No, we'll
Why
leave.
will you leave?
No. You have to allow us.
Okay, one second.
But-
Allow
I
us-
want to-
allow us
Mr.
time
Raja,
to
you are
rebut.
speaking too much.
No.
Isn't he speaking
Allow us
too
time
much?
to rebut.
He's speaking
Exactly.
too much.
Okay, Rahul,
You sit. Where are you
have-
standing? You sit.
You have half an hour interview with him.
You sit.
Okay.
You sit. Mr. Raja,
sir.
let's give. See, he's your alliance partner.
Okay,
You
give me
think
2
he's-
minutes on this.
No, I know. You think he's an alliance. Give your alliance partner also a chance.
Allow me
give
to make my
people
point.
who are not in alliance
Sir,
also.
sir, one second, sir.
Allow
Let
me-
him speak.
allow me-
Right, I will keep silence with one
Listen.
question. With one question.
But-
Only one question.
Yes.
Only one question.
Yes.
Mandal Commission was introduced by VP Singh,
Yes.
which is for backward class. There was a agitation as against Mandal Commission for backward class reservation, either by Muslim or by Christian. Who did the agitation?
Now-
Hindus.
Let me
You
complete.
why?
Now
So
I-
you want to be Hindus?
Okay.
You want to call him upper
Now,
caste?
now you've asked a question. Now let him respond. No, one second.
You got to continue.
I will take A Raja's mic just for 2 minutes. That way, at least everybody gets a chance. You please sit, GVL. You don't stand up.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
He will stand.
This is the most blatant attempt on the part of DMK today on this show to indulge in very, very rank form of minority appeasement politics. All this is for Muslim vote. All this is for Christian vote.
No.
They want to show that Hinduism doesn't exist. They want, because they are in competition with OIC, they want to compete with SDPI. Then you have your politics,
Okay.
but don't berate Hinduism.
Okay.
Let
Tamil Nadu
Dinesh Gundu Rao
epitomizes
speak.
everything
one
about
second.
Hinduism.
Okay, GVL, you spoken now. Your mic also. One second.
Rahul,
He's not,
Rahul, on
giving
this
the mic.
issue-
Okay, let Dinesh
I
Gundu Rao
think,
speak.
okay, give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
See, I think Tamil Nadu has got a very unique perspective about religion. Because if you look at Periyar, he's one of the most respected personalities. And Periyar his philosophy was anti-God. Wasn't against any religion. It was an anti-God philosophy. He was more about self-respect, removing the caste system, humanism, women's rights, all that. But many people who follow Periyar can also be a Hindu, can also be a Muslim, can also be a Christian. They can go to temples, but they still accept Periyar, his anti-God philosophy. At the same time, they'll be religious in their own way. So there's a very unique system in Tamil Nadu
What does
where...
Rahul Gandhi think?
No. Now
What
you
does
have,
Rahul
So
Gandhi
he's your
that is
alliance
that
partner.
is something-
He's your alliance partner.
That is something I think which is
whether
very
he
unique to
agrees.
Tamil Nadu.
He's your alliance partner. Let him
So
speak.
I don't think
One
anybody
second.
is
Mr.
anti-Hindu
Mafoy
here.
Pandirajan, one
No,
second.
Rahul, I don't think anybody is anti-Hindu. It is like their own
he
culture,
says
their own
Hindu-
philosophy.
GVL. He's your
Okay.
alliance
There's
partner.
nothing-
Hinduism doesn't exist.
He's your
Listen,
alliance
listen.
partner. You are
He's
getting
not
also chance.
anti-Hindu.
Listen.
GVL.
I think he's
Listen to your
more
partner.
anti-Hindu than OIC. He's more anti-Hindu than SDPI, and that's what he possibly wants. to get
okay,
them-
No, but
please,
GVL,
let me
GVL,
complete.
this is the charge that's being leveled. No, one
Okay.
second. This is the charge, GVL, that's being
Let's-
leveled by the BJP, that you're trying to dominate the AIDMK. You're not letting the AIDMK minister speak.
No,
Let
no,
him
not
speak.
at all.
Come on,
Not
come on.
Indian.
No. He was
Central government dominating
Mr.
regional
Pandirajan
party.
was a bit late. That's how you allowed me
Let
time
him
in the
speak.
beginning.
No.
Let him
Okay,
speak.
it's okay.
Don't dominate your
Boss,
partner.
listen. Let's move beyond philosophy. I think Tamil Nadu has moved and transcended beyond all these philosophies. People simply want to know performance, okay? As far as performance is concerned, as a party, DMK second identity, beyond the corruption identity you just discussed, is the dynasty politics. You know, it's completely, in the hands of one family. It's Kalaignar, it's, it's Stalin, it's Udaynidhi and Inbunidhi, and that's all kind of a thing. While our party is completely democratic, it's completely in the hands of the workers. Okay, they elect the people. Any normal person can aspire to be the chief minister. Okay, that's one. And the second part of the performance is what we've done on the ground. The 4 years of solid performance that we've given to Tamil Nadu. Today we have gone beyond 23 lakhs of crores in terms of GDP. Every year in the last 4 years, our GDP has grown 2% higher than the Indian average GDP growth. And this year, for instance, in a corona period, we've done a growth of plus 2%, while the Indian growth is projected to be about minus 7.7%. The lowest unemployment rate in India is that of Tamil Nadu. Water management, we have been number one repeatedly. Every water body in Tamil Nadu has been taken care very well. And in every scheme of central government,